Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to start our second lecture for SASMO preparation, and that is about the order of operation. What is actually order of operation and why do we use it? Basically, sometimes it happens that in the problem that there are so many problem comes in mathematics which includes so many operation at a time. Suppose there will be addition, multiplication, division, and brackets uh, are given in one sum, and we have to decide which thing we have to solve first. So again, dealing with for dealing with that thing, we have to use the order of operation. So order of operation helps us to solve these operations, uh, and it decides that which operation we have to solve first. So that is called the order of operation. Further we will see this from the example. So this is the order of operation that normally we follow. That acronym is written here, and that is called our order of operation, and we have to follow this order normally. So that is called the BODMAS. If you look at the here, it is written as BODMAS. So B stands for brackets, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Before solving any division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, we have to solve first bracket. Then after we solve division, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So let us solve the example. This is the example here, and in this example 2 multiply 3 minus bracket 4 minus 2 plus 3 power 2. Here, as we have discussed at the first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So let us solve this example here. See, we will not solve anything. First of all, we will solve the bracket. That is normally or also called parenthesis. So we will solve the parenthesis first. In parenthesis, it is 4 minus 2. So we will solve 4 minus 2. The answer will be 2. And 2 multiply 3 minus 2 plus 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is 3 power 2. How will solve this 3 power 2? So 3 power 2 means 3 multiply with 3, and 3 multiply 3 will be equal to 9. So 3 power 2 answer is 9. Now 2 multiply 3 minus 2 plus 9. Here the three operation we can see that are multiply, minus and addition. So first of all we will solve multiplication. Then we solve, so 2 multiply 3 is 6, and 6 minus 2 plus 9. Here we can see that there are two operations, subtraction and addition. So in addition and subtraction, the normally the order that will be followed will be as left to right. From left to right we have to solve. From left it is subtraction, so 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 9, and the 4 plus 9 is 13. So this is our answer. After this the we have second example, that is 3 plus 2 power 3 minus 9 plus 1. Here again we will solve the bracket. 9 plus 1 is, we will solve the bracket. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 2 power 3 we will solve, that will be equal to 8. Here we have solved first bracket. Here we have solved the first bracket, that is 10, and so the 3 plus 2 power 3 minus 10, and after this we will solve the exponent. So 2 power 3 equal to 8. 3 plus 8 minus 10. Again we will solve from the left to right. So from left it is addition, so we will solve first addition. So 11 minus 10, that will be equal to 1. Now the third example, 3 multiply 9 plus 1 6 power 2. As we have learned that the first of all we have to solve the bracket. So 9 plus 1 is 10. After this we will solve the power. So 6 power 2 will be equal to 36. How? Because 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. and then 3, and again there is a bracket, inside bracket there is a 10. So inside, when one number is outside, other number is inside, so we use multiplication. So 3 times 10 is 30 plus 36. 36 plus 30, doing addition we will get 66. Similarly, we will solve this example. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then there is multiplication, addition. As we have learned that we have to solve first multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Then again there is inside the bracket we have to solve the first bracket, but inside the bracket there is multiplication and subtraction. So 9 times 3 is 27 minus 19. We will solve it first and the answer will come 8. In the last we will solve division, and 64 divided by 8 is 8. Again this will be solved. So here we will solve the bracket, and inside bracket there is a small bracket. So first of all small bracket will be solved, and then after the middle bracket and large bracket. This is small bracket, this is large bracket. So small bracket we will solve first. 2 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 4. Now it's a 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5, and then dividing 10 by 5 will be equal to 2. As we have learned that we will solve bracket first, so here we have solved bracket first, then we have done division. So these are the some practice problem for your improvement. Solve these practice problems, and there are the answer of these problems for your help. And solve your problems and send it to me, so